Looking for a wallet case that can replace your everyday bag? In this video, we're counting down the 7 best iPhone 17 Pro Max wallet cases that combine protection, card storage, and premium convenience. Stay tuned to discover the perfect all-in-one case for your lifestyle. Coming in at number 7 is the Vinich wallet case for iPhone 17 Pro. This multifunctional case is designed for users who want dependable phone protection, convenient card storage, and hands-free functionality all in one accessory. Designed specifically for the 6.3-inch iPhone 17 Pro, it includes built-in RFID blocking card slots that help protect compatible contactless cards from unauthorized scanning while reducing the need to carry a separate wallet. Its durable shock-proof construction helps protect the phone from everyday bumps and minor drops, while the integrated kickstand makes watching videos, reading, or joining video calls much more comfortable. Precise cutouts provide full access to buttons, ports, and cameras without removing the case, and the textured exterior offers a secure, comfortable grip. In daily use, it performs exceptionally well for commuting, travel, and everyday errands by keeping your essentials together. Compared with slimmer cases like Apple's silicone case, the Vinich offers added functionality through card storage and a built-in stand, although it does add some extra bulk. Overall, it delivers excellent value and is an easy recommendation for commuters, travelers, and anyone who prefers carrying fewer everyday essentials. Next on the list is the VENA V-Commute wallet case for iPhone 16. This premium wallet case is designed for users who need dependable protection while keeping essential cards securely stored in one place. Built specifically for the iPhone 16, it combines a durable dual-layer construction with military-grade drop protection to help safeguard the device from everyday impacts and accidental drops. The hidden leather card compartment stores cards securely without adding unnecessary bulk, while the folding cover doubles as a convenient kickstand for watching videos or making hands-free video calls. Precision cutouts provide easy access to buttons, speakers, cameras, and charging ports for a seamless user experience. In real-world use, the case performs exceptionally well during commuting, travel, and everyday activities by eliminating the need for a separate wallet. Compared with Apple's silicone case, the VENA V-Commute offers significantly more functionality thanks to its built-in card storage and kickstand, though it is naturally thicker because of its wallet-style design. Overall, its premium materials, solid construction, and practical features make it an outstanding choice for professionals, commuters, and travelers seeking everyday convenience and reliable protection. Following that is the ACGZBD wallet case for iPhone 17 Pro Max. This feature-packed wallet case is designed for users who want the convenience of a wallet while maintaining reliable protection and MagSafe compatibility. Designed specifically for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, it features a PU leather flip cover with RFID blocking card slots that help protect compatible contactless cards while keeping everyday essentials close at hand. The built-in magnetic design supports MagSafe compatible accessories, and the integrated stand provides comfortable hands-free viewing for videos, reading, or video calls. Its shock-proof construction helps absorb everyday bumps and minor drops, while precise cutouts ensure full access to buttons, ports, speakers, and cameras. In daily use, it performs very well for commuting, travel, and everyday errands by combining protection, storage, and convenience in one package. Compared with Apple's fine woven or silicone case, the ACGZBD offers considerably more functionality through its wallet design and kickstand, although it does add extra thickness. Overall, it represents excellent value for professionals, travelers, and users looking for versatile protection with added convenience. Next up is the COBEAR wallet case for iPhone 17 Pro. This multifunctional PU leather flip case is designed for users who want to carry their phone, cards, and small essentials together without needing a separate wallet. Specifically made for the iPhone 17 Pro, it includes multiple card slots, a zippered pocket for cash or coins, a magnetic flip cover, a built-in kickstand, and a detachable wrist strap for added portability and security. The durable PU leather exterior and shock-absorbing inner shell help protect the phone from scratches, bumps, and minor drops while maintaining an elegant appearance. In everyday use, the case is especially useful for shopping, commuting, travel, and evenings out. The kickstand provides convenient hands-free viewing for movies and video calls, while precise cutouts ensure easy access to every button, port, and camera. Compared with slimmer wallet cases like the VENA V-Commute, the COBEAR offers greater storage thanks to its zippered compartment, although the additional storage makes it noticeably bulkier. Overall, it delivers excellent value for users who prioritize convenience and want a stylish all-in-one wallet case. Moving on, we have the Defencase wallet case for iPhone 17 Pro. This stylish all-in-one accessory is designed for users who want dependable phone protection while carrying essential cards and cash together. Tailored specifically for the 6.3-inch iPhone 17 Pro, it features a durable PU leather exterior, RFID blocking card slots, a magnetic snap closure, a zippered pocket for small valuables, and a convenient wrist strap for shopping or travel. The shock-absorbing inner shell provides reliable protection against everyday bumps and minor drops, while precise cutouts allow easy access to buttons, cameras, speakers, and charging ports. The built-in stand also makes watching videos and participating in video calls more comfortable. In everyday use, it performs exceptionally well by replacing a traditional wallet while keeping everything neatly organized. Compared with slimmer wallet cases such as the VENA V Commute, the Defencase provides greater storage capacity thanks to its zippered compartment, although it naturally adds more bulk. Overall, its attractive orange finish, practical design, and affordable price make it an excellent choice for commuters, travelers, and anyone looking to simplify their everyday carry. Coming in next is the Cracedily wallet case for iPhone 17 Pro. This practical flip-style case combines dependable phone protection with the convenience of integrated card storage, making it an excellent everyday accessory. Designed specifically for the iPhone 17 Pro, it features a durable leather-style exterior, built-in card holder, secure magnetic closure, integrated kickstand, and a shock-absorbing inner shell that helps protect against scratches, bumps, and minor drops. The folio cover adds extra screen protection when closed, while precise cutouts ensure uninterrupted access to buttons, cameras, speakers, and charging ports. In daily use, it performs reliably for commuting, work, travel, and casual outings by allowing users to leave a separate wallet behind during shorter trips. Compared with slimmer cases like Apple's silicone case, the Cracedily offers much greater functionality through its wallet design and hands-free viewing capabilities, although it is thicker because of the additional storage. Overall, it offers impressive value for money and is a dependable option for professionals, students, and anyone seeking a stylish wallet case that balances protection, convenience, and everyday durability. Last but certainly not least is the BLISLIAR wallet case for iPhone 17 Pro. This multifunctional accessory is built for users who want dependable phone protection, secure card storage, and multiple carrying options in one convenient package. Designed specifically for the 6.3-inch iPhone 17 Pro, it features a durable PU leather exterior, RFID blocking card slots, a magnetic closure, an adjustable crossbody strap, and a detachable wrist strap for additional flexibility. The shock-absorbing inner shell helps protect the phone from everyday bumps and minor drops, while precise cutouts provide easy access to all buttons, cameras, speakers, and charging ports. In real-world use, it performs particularly well during shopping, travel, commuting, and outdoor activities by allowing users to carry their phone and essential cards without needing a separate wallet or handbag. Compared with traditional wallet cases like the VENA V Commute, the BLISLIAR stands out thanks to its crossbody carrying option, although the extra accessories make it slightly bulkier. Overall, its practical design, attractive purple finish, and competitive price make it an excellent choice for travelers, busy professionals, and anyone looking for a stylish, convenient, and protective everyday wallet case. Thanks for watching. We hope this roundup helped you choose the perfect iPhone 17 Pro Max wallet case. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews, buying guides, and the latest accessory recommendations.